Hello friends, Running Kimono here. We have a triple stack in this video, which is curbside only on dental care, linked at the very end. There's a ton of really great curbside deals, food, free dental care, and a whole bunch of other magic. So I'm really loving this week. These deals are valid till the 30th of August, which is Saturday. It's done curbside, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, opting to drive to the store and picking it up, paying for it, and it's that easy. You go pick it up at the store. And if you are the kind of shopper that likes to be in store with register rewards and you want to see what you're buying, watch Sunday's video. I will link it at the end. And I also have the toilet paper video. I published it on Monday, kind of flipped it around because I know a lot of you are looking to stock up on paper specifically right now, and that is also linked at the very end. Let's hop right into it with deal number one. Okay, deal number one. So the first thing you're going to grab is a very fancy Colgate Optic White Pro Series toothpaste for $8. So hang on to your wallet for that one. We do have a $5 digital. There's also a 4 off a 2. Unclip that one and ensure that the 5 and this $3 digital are there. Especially if you opt to do this deal in store. So the 4 off 2, you don't get that one to come off first. You want to have $8 with the 5 and the 3. For the brush, you're going to load that $3 coupon. It's on this promotion of buy 2, earn $5 back in Walgreens cash. And if you're looking at the math of that, use $5 in Walgreens cash, get $5 back. It is that easy. And then we're going to grab 2 of these Pantenes for $5. And then we have a 2 off 2 digital coupon that you're going to load for this one. Now, just to show you, we have the $3 for that toothbrush, $2 for the Pantene, the $5 for the toothpaste, and then if you use the code WAG10, an additional 50 cents off, and that is called Not Too Shabby. The overall total for this basket is $23. 50 cents with WAG10 melting off, free curbside pickup, $10 in manufacturers melting off. So the total here is $13.85. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash, pay $3.85. You're getting back $8. 5 for Colgate and 3 for Pantene. I call this a very good basket. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is deal number 2, and for this one, we're going to be throwing in 2 of these Tresemes. Unfortunately, I had to grab 2 different, like a shampoo and conditioner, and I'm not going to waste your time by showing the 2 that I picked. And we have a 5 off 2 digital coupon, so please make sure you have that loaded. The subtotal there is going to be 12, not 6. Supposed to be 2 there. And then we have a 4 off 2 manufacturer and a 3 off 2 store coupon. That's 7 off for the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo. I know this is a favorite amongst many of you, so I just threw it into this basket in case you want to stockpile some of this liquid gold. So 2 of them is $12.58. Now, just to show you, L'Oreal Paris, we have that 4 off 2 manufacturer, 5 off 2 for the Tresemme, the store coupon, which is a 3 off 2 for the L'Oreal Elvive, that's a Walgreens coupon, and then using the code WAG10, 56 cents right there. The overall total is $24.58. The Walgreens coupon and WAG10 taking $3.56 off, free curbside pickup, tax, $9 in manufacturers melting off right there. So $13.28. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it. And for the Tresemme, you will be getting back $5. So not a bad little basket at all right there. The next deal is it's going to be Labor Day this weekend. If you're hosting a party or if you just want some snacks for your house, here's one for you. We're going to be throwing 3 Pepsis into your cart for $13.99, which is a very good price point. We also have a $1 off 3 digital coupon that you're going to load. So $12.99 for 3 of these. That is an unheard of price. So stock up on this. To get the math to balance, we're also going to throw in 2 of the Lay's potato chips for $5.98. The original price point for these is $4.99 per bag. If you're a Doritos, if you love Doritos, that's even better deal because it's also $2.99. So some tremendous savings right there. Now, just to show you the dollar off 3 for the Pepsi, Mountain Dew, or Starry. And if you wanted to get like one Pepsi, one Mountain Dew, one Starry, or two Starries and one Pepsi, you can also do that. And then using the code WAG10, we are also subtracting an additional 60 cents off. Now the overall total is $23.57. There is a bottle deposit fee here in Michigan, so that's why it's a little bit more. 60 cents, a dollar manufacturer. The total here is $21.97. If you want to use $20 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.97, very smart basket. Last two deals that we're looking at, guys, are triple stacks, which is rare, but it's happening. A 10 back when you spend 50, a 15 back when you spend 45, and the promotion for a lot of this dental care is earn back 15 when you spend 50. And all of these products are in fact working with that promotion. So the first item we're going to grab is a Crest 3D Brilliant Stain Remover for $10.99, and we have a $4 digital coupon, so make sure you have that loaded. And this is the free basket I'm talking about. One of these Crest Daily Whitening Serums for $25.99, and we have a $10 digital also attaching to said product. Load it, guys. And the next item that we're grabbing is this pen. It's the Crest 3D Easy to Use pen for $24.99. Using a coupon code, the math dipped under 50. So that's why that first item is in this basket. And this also has a 10 off 1 digital coupon. Just to show you the chorus line here, $10, $4, $10, using the code SAVE20. $7.60 melting off. If you can't get the coupon code to work for you, log out, log back into your account. You might have some issues, and I certainly had a couple issues here and there, so you might have to do a little bit of a dance. So the total here is $61.97. Subtracting $7.60, you're still at 45 or $54.37. You're still at that $50 threshold. $24 in manufacturers melting off. With tax, you're going to pay $33.63 with your debit card, and you're getting back $40 in Walgreens cash, making this flat out moneymaker and freebies. How nice is this? The last deal that we're looking at is another dental care deal, and you need your two best friends loaded. And I believe the top one, if you've already used it, it's of a one-time use. The 10 back when you spend 50. Okay, we're going to throw in one of these fancier Oral-B IO toothbrushes for $59.99, and we have a $10 off digital coupon. And just to show you guys the beautiful chorus line, we have a 10 off, and then using the code WAG10, an additional $5 melting off. Now, I could have used a different one, but it totally messed up the math where I was below the $50 threshold, and it would have messed everything up, so I went with that one. $59.99, $5 coming off. We're still at that $50 threshold. Tax and a $10, so the total is $48.29. You're getting back $40 in Walgreens cash, which is like fantastic. So factoring in the tax, it's like $8 and some change for an almost $60 toothbrush. I call this a very good deal. Now, in case you missed it, yesterday I made my Dollar General clearance event that's starting this Friday, the 29th, linked right here. Check it out if you've always been curious about Dollar General couponing and clearance shopping. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.